had to resort to dragging spinners for a while, but as soon as I did, it got windy. So I'm back to casting. Yeah, it's a decent walleye. I'd rather catch him casting anyway. It's dragging all that spinner junk around is not as much fun to me. To get this guy at it. Trouble with this casting today, I've been losing more than I've been getting. But that's a nice one. Get him off, got him on a swimming ribster. Probably 24-incher. A couple casts later. Oh, that last one I sort of exaggerated. It was actually turned out to be 20-incher. It fought good, so I assumed it was bigger, I guess. Well, this one's fighting pretty good too. I'll be surprised if this is a walleye. Let's get a look at him. Ooh, big old walleye this time. About time. There's a beauty. This one I'll measure before I guess. This one's definitely bigger than the last one. And he actually gave me a fight. There we go. Measure him up. Ooh, fell right out. Good thing I netted him. Measure this one up accurately. $24.5. That's more like it. Put her back. And away she goes. None the worse for wear. Well, I got something good on this spinner rig. Well, it felt big when I hooked it. Gave a tremendous lunge. I hope it wasn't because... Oh no, there he goes. Oh boy. This is a walleye. It's going to be pretty big. That's a pike. That's what I was afraid of. A pike. Ooh, there's more down there though. Look at all that. Well, they're definitely biting better than yesterday. I fished 12 hours and caught 20 yesterday. It was terrible. Nothing big. Bunch of little squeezers. 20. I think I had one walleye that was 24 yesterday. This guy, let's see if I can grab him without getting hooked. I got him. He's a pretty nice pike, probably 8 or 9 pounds. Been on that old spinner rig. We'll get him off and throw him back. Well, I moved away from my reef. I'm over by an island, dragging these stupid spinners, which I don't like, but they're working. Another little while. I caught one here 2 minutes ago that was probably 20 inches. There's a little dink here. Have to get him undone. I'll show you. I make my own spinner rigs. And I use titanium wire so that I don't get bit off by the northerns. But that's it there. It's just this whole thing here is titanium, and it doesn't kink either, which is nice. To use regular wire, it kinks up on you. But that's all I've been using, a rubber worm and dragging it around 25 feet of water. Well, I caught them couple trolling them spinners, and I'm marking a ton of fish, so whoa. Oh yeah, this is big fish here. So I anchored and started casting. There's a lot of weight on this thing. What is it? Pike. Doggone it. I thought for sure that was a walleye. He's squealing that drag out, isn't he? Oh, there's a bunch of fish though. Look at the screen. There's a bunch of fish down there. So what do I catch? Slimer. Probably wrecked my bait too, I bet. It looks like he's got it chewed up. Whoa! He don't want to come in though. He's nice and fat. He's probably legal. He's probably like 27, 28. Yeah, it might be a tad over. Okay, didn't wreck my bait. He's decent. Nice and plump. Measure him up and let him go. Yeah, the weatherman, it was supposed to be beautiful today. No wind, full sun. Does that look? Doesn't look beautiful to me, but the fish are biting 10 times better than yesterday. So, well, he is, he's like 29 3/4. I guess they're legal at under 30. I don't remember exactly. They changed the rules.